Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today's video is a DIY video. Since Sisters Day and Friendships Day is just around about the corner, I thought of doing a DIY video wherein I share with you all not few ideas, wherein I've shared with you all a Zine making tutorial. Now I had learned about Zine 2 to 3 years ago. I gone for a workshop and that's where I learned about Zine. So today I'll share with you all how to make a Zine. Now Zine is like a booklet, a magazine where you express your feelings for the person you're gifting it, or where you express anything. It can be about anything. It can be about your health, or it can be about anything. Whatever you feel like, you can make a scene of it. So yeah, and in this is like a very beautiful way of expressing your feelings. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with a zine. So the first thing that we are doing here is that we are cutting images. Now you don't need to be like really perfect while you're cutting the images. What you can do is that just cut the images, cut it roughly, and then keep it aside, because we'll be placing these images on the basic structure of the zine, and then we'll cut it according to the size and color and everything. So the first thing is that just roughly chop kind of images, so you don't have to go like Virgo perfectionist on it. Now before you even start chopping the images, cutting the images, you need to know what your theme would be. Otherwise you do not randomly cut images. Just decide what your theme would be. Now for me, my theme was for Sisters Day. I'll be giving it to my sister as an appreciation and an advice. So I selected images according to this, which I could appreciate also, and some that I could give it to her as an advice. So now moving on, after cutting the images, we take a A3 size chart paper, fold it into half, fold it again and fold it again. So totally there are 3 folds in this. 3 folds, and you should have 8 blocks on this A3 size chart paper. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we'll cut the blocks. Like there are 8, as you can see, 4 up and 4 down, from 2 to 2 and 3. If we are taking from left, 1, 2 and 3, from 2 to 3 we will slit the chart paper from in between. Okay, just slit the chart paper from in between. You can either use a cutter like I have used, or you can even use a pair of scissors. Now if you have steady hands, you don't need a scale like how I'm doing here. Since I don't have steady hands, I've used a scale like this. But just make sure that it is even and uniform. The line is like a straight line, so it's better that you use a scale. Now this is the important part. This is how you should fold it. If you've not seen it, rewind and see it again. So once you fold it like this, you have a booklet ready for you. And these are like the hidden spots which the person you're gifting it to will only be able to see. Like it's a hidden thing. So yeah, this is done. Now do not go ahead and directly paste it, because you might change your mind later. Just keep it like this and see how it looks, how the color combination and everything looks. Now if you see, the way I had placed it was way different than the way I'm sticking it, because then again you change your mind, then you cut it in a certain way. You have different cutting ideas. So I had cut it in a certain way, so I changed it, and then this is how I finally came with a picture gallery. So I pasted all of it according to how I wanted to place it. So now once you place all the pictures according to how you want it, then you can go ahead and you can write something. Like there's place for you to make it more personalized. You can write, you can draw doodles. Like world is your oyster, literally world is your oyster. You can draw doodles, or you can stick quotes, or anything that you wish to do. So I had written few things, and this is how I had written it and kept it. So this is like the inside part, like I showed you all, the inside part, the secret part. And then I just went on, once I folded this, I just went on with the other parts as well. Time to reveal to you the whole zine. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!